Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do butter block quest updated. Start by gathering 3 sticks of butter, a chilled tray, and parchment to shape the block quickly. Work swiftly to prevent melting, pressing evenly to create a firm rectangle. Use a bench scraper to level edges and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before transport. Keep hands cool and clean to maintain texture and prevent contamination. Chill ingredients and tools to keep butter firm during assembly, and measure proportions precisely for consistent results. Avoid overworking the butter to prevent greasy texture and check seams for air pockets as you press. If cracks form, patch with cold butter and rechill, then smooth with a chilled spatula to finish. Label the block with date and contents before storing in airtight wrap for later use. This process prevents waste and saves time in future recipes. Quick pause to ask you to subscribe and like if this guide is helping you learn the butter block quest efficiently. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after kitchen cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it today. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use the butter block directly in recipes that call for solid butter by slicing into even portions, or grate frozen sections for easy melting. For baking, cut 1/4 to adjust richness in doughs and creams, and incorporate at the coldest point to maintain flakiness. When frying, warm gently to avoid spattering, and monitor temperature closely. Store backups in freezer bags for up to 3 months to preserve flavor and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.